Well, good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning here in Wales and probably everywhere where you are today. Anyway, I've just popped on very, very quickly, and this is really short video, just to say that I've done my video ready for Tuesday for the collaboration and the Christmas collaboration that Rachel and Rose has put together for us. These are my pages that I'm using, or not. You'll have to wait and see, because we could choose whatever we liked out of the pages, but my letter is the letter B. So I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make, because it's all underneath, it's all done underneath this cloth. And these are the things that I have used. I've used these papers here. Aren't they stunning? These are backing papers, upside down. All right. I love these. I really love them. And I think they are Rachel's, but I'm not sure, because I've printed off a bit of both. So you'll have to go over to Rach and Bella Crafts and find out what's happening starting tomorrow, the big day. And I hope you'll come along and you'll join us. Now, on a more serious note, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone that sent their condolences to my sister and myself for my nephew. And the funeral went off really well, and I know that's because people were praying for us and everything just went perfectly. So that's all I'm going to say about that, but I did want to say thank you, and I really appreciated your prayers. So there's a lot going on. There's glitter, there's ribbons, there's paper, there's all kinds of manner of things going on underneath this cloth. So have a wonderful day, look after yourselves and take care. God bless. Bye.